Hey everyone, it is finally Friday. Still hot, still breezy, and that's the way it's going to stay for tomorrow into Sunday. So far, very few clouds on the satellite picture. We'll have mostly clear skies for tonight as a stable air mass continues to dominate our weather. Look at the heat out west. 104 degrees right now in Rio Grande City. It is 98 in Edinburgh, 95 in Raymondville and Harlingen, 91 in Port Isabel. But when you factor that humidity into the air temperature, it feels like 109 in Rio Grande City, 102 in Raymondville, and 104 in Brownsville. And also, it's been a breezy Friday. Hope you had your kites out today. We've got a wind gust of 30 in McAllen, 29 in Harlingen, 29 in Port Isabel, and 22 in Westlaco with sustained winds out of the south to southeast between 16 to 21 miles an hour. So here's your Friday evening planner forecast. We'll start off 91 at 7 p.m. and breezy under mostly sunny skies. Mostly clear overnight. We're down to 85. Still warm and humid at 9 p.m. and then 82 at 11 o'clock this evening. Hey, let's talk about the tropics. The good news, it is very quiet across the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, and Gulf of Mexico, and that's the way it should stay for at least the next 2 to 5 days. In the eastern Pacific, we are watching this area disturb weather well to the west of the Pacific coast of Mexico, which has a 60% chance of development over the next 5 days, but it should stay over open Pacific waters. So back home in the U.S., things are very quiet here in Texas, thanks to a big ridge of high pressure loft. Out east, we have this trough of low pressure in the dotted yellow line. That's why they're seeing a lot of showers and thunderstorms for parts of Alabama and Georgia as well as Florida. Look at the temperatures right now. It is baking, especially out west. 104 in Laredo, 102 in Del Rio, 101 in Amarillo, 100 in Midland. Right now, 97 in Austin, 96 in DFW and San Antonio, and 92 degrees. The cool spot, if you want to call it, it's in Houston. So here is future track. Now we still have this big ridge of high pressure loft, the Big Blue H. That's going to slowly slide to the west. Now for us, it still stays hot and mainly dry for this weekend, but we may see some changes next week because a rare July cold front, yes, a front may make its way into Texas. We're not going to call it a cold front, but the model has this front entering South Texas and then stalling out just north of the valley. Now again, these fronts are rare. They're not unheard of in July, but sometimes they do cross into South Texas. So here's Wednesday, 3 p.m. And because of the proximity of this front, we're going to put in a better chance for some spotty showers and thunderstorms next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. We think this front will stall. Another model has a front actually clearing the valley, but it may just very well stall out over areas north of the valley. So this may change, but because of that front coming into our area, or our neighborhood, we should say, we're going to put in a better chance for some showers and thunderstorms next Tuesday, especially Wednesday and Thursday next week. Good news, the high temperatures may be back to the lower 90s by next Thursday and Friday. So dry tomorrow, mainly dry Sunday, maybe a sea breeze shower, and then a 20% chance of some spotty showers and thunderstorms. At this point, we'll put in a 30% chance of rain Tuesday and a 40% chance of spotty thunderstorms on Wednesday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the southeast at 10 to 20 knots. The bay waters are choppy, seas 2 to 4 feet. Small craft should use caution. Here's your first Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Mostly clear, breezy early on this evening. Still warm and muggy with lows in the upper 70s. And then for tomorrow, mostly sunny, hot and breezy with highs in the upper 90s. We will see triple digits for the upper valley. Wherever you are, if you're outside, take it easy and drink plenty of water. Here's that 7-day forecast. The heat continues for Sunday. We'll call it mainly dry. Then there's a 20% chance of some spotty showers on Wednesday, 30% chance of some spotty thunderstorms on Tuesday, and then a 40% chance of spotty thunderstorms on Thursday thanks to that possible front with high temperatures in the mid-90s, maybe 93 by next Thursday. That's your first Warn 5 forecast. Now here's Christine.